All right, guys, welcome back to another video. So Penoval was kind enough to send me over their latest active stylus for the Surface Go 3 and other Surface devices. Now, I've actually been using this for more than a month, and I wanted to give you a real follow-up on it. So I want to start with the hardware of this thing. This the feel in hand, it feels really, really strong, and it feels really, really good. There's no creaking or anything. It's well made, and I can't believe it costs 39 bucks, but it does cost $39, folks. So this is a strong pen itself. It just has a little bit of branding on the top right there. This top portion is an eraser function, just like any other Surface pen you might grab. Here is the Type-C port right here. Here is an LED indicator for when you're plugging in. And this button right here can simulate a mouse click. And then you have the nibs on the top here, which actually pull straight out like that. Yeah, they just go straight in and out on the tip like that. And you do get an extra one in the box. So if you are considering this, consider yourself being able to use this for a long period of time. It also has a quick charge function where 45 minutes gets you 100 hours of writing time. So there's palm rejection, and you shouldn't get really fatigued with using this. I predominantly have been using this for navigation and going in and out of websites and writing notes and things like that. So I can tell you firsthand that it's actually very comfortable to use. The build quality is really nice and functionality is really good. So having these gestures like this without having to use a mouse is a huge plus, because sometimes I use a mouse with my Surface Go 3, and with this pen I just really haven't been doing it. So I'm going to plug in here and show you what the LED indicator looks like when you're charging. Red is, you're going to need to put a little bit of charge on it. Obviously mine is red. I've been using it for a long time. And I think I've only charged it maybe once or in the last 30 days or so. So that gives you a rough idea of, if you're a heavy user, then yeah, you might need to charge more than that, but it's up to you to determine how you want to use your pen. But for me on the Surface Go 3, this has been a great navigating tool, writing, taking notes, signing PDFs, the accuracy of it. Let me go into Paint here. I'm just going to open up Paint here and just kind of show you, let's just put some stuff down here. Let's put, hold on. Get a little box right here, and let's change that box, and let's go here, do another red box, and let's go over here to writing, or just showing you how sensitive the tip is. Now let's change this to level 3, and then you can see the different levels there. So this is really nice and accurate when it comes to writing. Now I did a lot of writing with this. Obviously this isn't so much my handwriting, but this isn't. But you do have the eraser function. I'm so used to doing it like this though. It's weird because I like to get imprecise in different areas. But you do have, depending on which Surface you have, you'll be able to use all the functionality of this pen. For the Surface Go 3, I've just been navigating with it, doing writing with it, taking notes and things like that. And I'm in no way an artist, so Paint is just something I'm going to show you exactly how accurate this pen tip could be. But just a real brief video. I have a link down in the description. So just remember, palm rejection, low price, eraser, Type-C, quick charge, 45 minutes gets you over 100 hours of writing time. And I've never really tested whether I've gotten 100 hours of writing time, but what I can tell you is that I've only charged this, like I said before, probably once in the last month and a half or so. And I use this pretty much now. I don't even use a mouse with my Surface Go because this requires no pairing. I just put it next to the Surface and it started to work just like that. So I'll leave a link in the description to the official website and Amazon if you decide to pick this up. But until then, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.